Oh, I lost it. Nice. Hi, welcome to the channel, guys. I'm so excited today. I'm here out in the bridge that I only dreamed to be. I'm here with my family, my brother Frank. Say hi.
Hey, here we are.
Scott and my wife Angela, you guys know already. So I'm so excited to be here. I am here at the Long Key Bridge, hopefully here to catch some fish. So stay tuned and see you soon. Stay tuned. Big tarpon straight down. Oh my God. Big tarpon, like 4-foot tarpon there.
Okay.
Look at this, guys.
16. That's 16.
I got an app.
April.
I got an app. I got an app, guys. Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
That's 16.
Is it?
Yeah.
I got a ruler right here. Got a ruler, got a ruler.
That's 12. No, it's small. I don't think you have. You got the ruler?
Yeah. Where I put the freaking ruler?
Yeah, it's small.
You got a ruler?
Yeah. 16. That's not 16. It's a female.
Let's measure.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, there's no way that's 16.
No.
That's more like a 14.
We can at least see what it is.
I got my ruler in there somewhere, but I'm so...
I'm guessing 13. Let's
It's
see.
from corner, the corner.
Sure.
To corner.
Corner to corner. 13.
14.
14, I said it! Woo, 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 woo. Thank you, Scott. Hi!
Next time you shoot that fish, you shoot it straight down.
I did.
You did?
It must have flopped. Good job. Don't know what it is yet, but it's pretty heavy.
Okay.
It's a little bigger. Thank you. Ah. 14 and a half.
14 and a half.
Jeez. Second one though, guys. Look how beautiful. Hogfish going back. That was good, guys. So excited. So excited. Bring the keeper. Keeper, keeper, keeper. Here, keeper, keeper. Here, keeper, keeper. Here, keeper, keeper. My brother just caught a parrotfish. Beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Beautiful parrotfish. Great job, Frank. Great job. The bag? Oh, yay! Another one! Yeah!
What are you doing?
Nice! There's a ton. Just gotta be forceful with it. I see it, nice. That's a bonnethead.
They're good eating.
Yeah?
If you want.
Look at that. Biting the damn. Here, hold this. It's biting the neck. You hooked up good. Look at on the very side of the mouth. He wasn't going anywhere. He could bite that all day. You gonna hold it? So make sure that his head never touches your hand. Okay? You got it? It's rough and nasty, but he's tired now. Are you gonna keep it or not?
Yeah, why not? Can you eat it?
Can she keep this? Grab it by the gills, up higher, and by the tail.
You can keep one shark. I think you're gonna get a bigger one. So don't keep it. Okay.
Oh, that should be good. There it is. Yep. Oh, my battery died, so I was off video for a little bit, but now we're back. Put a clean new battery in it. See what happens. Let's see what happens here. Probably get robbed right away. Getting little bites, little bites. Little bite. Got one. Got one. Probably Angela's favorites. There you go. This is gonna be known as Angela's favorite. Here you go, guys. Angela's favorite. Now it's gonna be mine too. Hey, I got it again. Another one. There's tons of these up down there. Look at this. Tons of these. It's gonna be our favorite. I love it. A piece. There you go, guys. Another one. I want to catch a snapper. Snapper, snapper. Here, keep it, snapper, snapper. Here, keep it, snapper, snapper. There we go. Oh, this feels different. I don't know. What does that mean? Oh no, that's a poop fish. Oh, oh, it's a poop fish. Yay! I've been dying to catch you one of those. I've seen it on video. A poop fish. Don't poop on me, please. Yes, it is the poop fish. Love it. Woo. It's strong though. We got gnarly teeth too. Look at this, guys. The poop fish. Poop fish. That's why I caught a whole fish. 2 of them. So Look at that. Nice little snapper. I'm gonna come back over here. For this one, there's more. They're back. Slow down, guys, completely. All they have is poop fish around. He's trying to get me messed up. That's it. Another poop fish. Oh, porker. This is great, guys. Look at this. Wonderful. How beautiful. After it was so slow, ended. Look at this, guys. Scott caught a big nurse shark.
That's at
There you
least
go.
100 pounds. 100. Look at
Oh.
that.
You wanna net it?
Yeah, let's net it, get a picture.
Let's try to net it. Yeah. Frankie, get the net. I right there. Wow. Wow. We were about to leave. We were packing to go. And look at this. Look at this, guys. Wow, that's humongous. Let me
Does that help me with that?
We're gonna make an attempt at netting it, but I think it's too big. Let's see if we can capture it. Oh, wow. You gotta switch sides, Frankie. Yeah. Come on. Oh my God. It doesn't, it sees the net, don't want to go in it.
It's like, no. Okay, pick up the net and bring it closer. Or no.
Lower. Yeah, it's almost there. It's fighting against it, that's all. Give it some time. There it is. A little more. Walk back. Ah. Oh no, she got a second wind. Oh wow, that net is too small for that beast. You gotta let it down more, Frank. You gotta submerge it all the way.
Come towards me.
Lower it.
Okay, hold on. Lower it.
Wow, this is crazy.
Put it right down.
Lower it. Lower than the fish. Wow. And it's hooked real good. No, it broke off. Wow. Good try, guys. Real good try. That set the mood to say goodbye to this glorious day. Great job, guys. This is my setup, guys. I wanted to show you. I used my regular brand new Roger Fishing pier cart with all my little tools on my e-bike. Got this Ripstar. Found it on Amazon and Got this little new bracket for it. Now I could ride my e-bike to the pier. I hope you like it. And until next time, we're leaving Long Key Bridge. Even though we really didn't take fish home, we had a great time. We had a great time. Thank you, Frank. Thank you, Scott. I had a great time out here at Long Key. To the next one. This is Royal Fishing signing out. Remember to live it like you mean it.